Hi everyone, this is Maria. Continuing with my last video, today we are going to talk about things to pay close attention while creating a floor in Revit. Now that we are more familiar with the types of walls, we're going to postpone their creation in order to create the base of them. In this case will be the floor. To create a floor element, go to Architecture and in the Build tab, click on Floor or type FL for shortcut. You will notice that there are different options. First, you have the architectural floor, which is the basic one. Then you have the structural floor, in which you can add some structural parameters. Then the floor by face, which is based on a massing element, meaning that you can create a more complex shape. And the slab edge. I'm gonna keep this generic floor and the level 1 as the base. And if we go to draw, you can choose between all of these tools. I'm gonna choose the big lines because I have this link cut here. And if you zoom in, you can choose all the lines that you want to use. Then you can just change or adjust as you want. I'm gonna show you very quickly. And if you type TR or trim, you can join all of these lines, and bear in mind that Revit needs this sketch to be a close one, so you must make sure that this is a close sketch. And okay, if we click OK, maybe go to this section that we already have here, right click and go to view. You're going to see that this floor is on the level 1. With that being said, let's go to level 1 and we can start adding the walls. I have added some of the walls of this project, and maybe in a 3D view we can see it properly. Another thing about floors is that you can change the elevation of some of the points of the floors. To see this better, we can go to this button which says temporary height isolate, and we can isolate this element or maybe the category, which would be floors. And if we click on these modify sub-elements, we could say that some of these could be higher or lower. For example, we can change this to 15, and you can see how all of these changes. You can add split lines, etc. Also, you may see that you can edit the type as well as the walls, and if we go to structure and edit, you can just insert another layer, and you can say that this is going to be up, and maybe to change the material of it, you go to these dots and we could say maybe ceramic. I'm going to click OK. And we could say that this is going to be 10. You can always check in this preview how it's going to look. And okay, we click OK, and now we have this ceramic tile in our floor. Alright, thank you for watching one of my videos once again. I hope you enjoyed just as much as I do. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. See you next time.